guys! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nueva Ecija, ang aking hometown of my family sa father's side. So, we're now here at the grand opening of my sister's newly opened cafe, the Storehouse Brew Coffee. Iniimbitahan ko lahat ng mga taga rito sa Gapan na to check out this newly open cafe here. Nako, sarap magluto ng kapatid ko. She's a very, very good chef. Chef ka! Papa ko. Anong pagkain mo? Walang lasa?
Walang lasa.
Walang lasa ha, pero ubus na oh. So, hi guys! So, pakilala ko sa inyo ang owner ng Storehouse Brew, none other than my sister na sobrang sipag at lahat ng hard work ay talagang nakita dito sa kanyang bagong-bagong cafe and restaurant.
Hi, I'm Chef Kat and welcome to Storehouse Brew. We're actually offering a Southeast Asian cuisines which is inspired by our travels abroad. So we're actually open from 10 a.m. and to 10 p.m. and we're located at Santa Cecilia Subdivision, Bayanihan, Gapan City, Nueva Ecija. And hope to see you soon! Brew Crew! Bye!